Oh, this is going to be one of those things. I can't help myself. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Motorcycle Rewind, and today we're back with the 1965 C100 Cub, and we're going to clean it up a bit. Harvey brought by a couple of pieces, the leg shields here, and look at this. Look at that. Thing is awesome. I think it's NOS. I think it's new old stock stuff. Whoa, let me don't drop it on the ground. But it's great. We're going to clean this thing up, switch the seat out, put the leg shields on, and make it look a little bit more presentable. He does have some more stuff coming. He's got a fender on the way. He's got the little aluminum 50 badge for right here. He's got a switch coming for this side, because somebody decided to cut it right there. So, just maybe because the horn, they cut it because they couldn't get the horn to stop blowing. Right, the switch is stuck, the button's stuck in, so the horn was, so they said, I'll fix it. And that's what they did. I'm assuming, I don't know. But we're gonna clean it up. See if we can make it look a little bit better. We'll switch out the seat. I wanna see if we can clean up this paint. You know, I don't mind if people paint their stuff. Paint it, it's yours, you do you. But mask off the stickers. I want to see if we can get this clear. We can't rub it too much because we don't want to rub through the red, but I'd love to be able to get that back, which would be awesome. So stick with us. We're going to do some pressure washing. Hey guys, just decided to pull this seat off because no use having to clean around it if it's coming off anyway. There we go. Just a little heavy duty cleanser. This has a little grit to it, so hopefully seeing if we can get off some of this surface rust. I'm going to keep rubbing around, see if we can get it off. Okay guys, we can agree that I can't make this worse, right? It's, if I can remove some of that rust, get it back to a white, then that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to step up to a little Scotch Brite. Is this guy probably still going to need to be repainted? Yeah, if we can just get rid of some of the rust, we'll be okay. So let's put a little bit of juice on it and see what it looks like. It's a little bit better. It's a little bit better. It's not perfect, but we're going to keep going at it and see if we can get it better. We're going to do that to the rest of the bike, the heavy spots, to try to get them a little cleaner. Like, it's not going to remove the damage the rust has already caused, but if we can get off the rust from the... Boy, it'd be nice if we get that back, huh? Again, I can't hurt it for trying, because we've already decided we have to buy new stickers. I'd like to not buy new stickers and have the old ones come back. It's starting to. This is what I mean, but you don't have to spend a lot of money on these things. Just a little bit of effort. Because I'd rather have an original sticker than a brand new one. I'd rather have an original one that's got some wear on it than a brand new one. Especially if I'm not doing a full-on restoration, right? Oh, this is going to be one of those things. I can't help myself. Guys, it's starting to come back. It's starting to happen. Just a little bit of effort. I'm going to stay at it. Really cool that we were able to save these original stickers. There's still a little bit more paint on there I can get on and get off, but it's so nice that we were able to save those. And guys, that's what our channel's all about. We don't have to go out and spend any money, buy a whole lot of parts. We got this thing running again by just cleaning it, modifying a spark plug wire to be a little longer, and then we cleaned it. We didn't have to go buy these. Now he doesn't have to buy these because these are way better than the repops. So yeah, that's awesome. So guys, here you have it now with the seat on, the leg shields on. We still need to do some cleaning on those leg shields right there. I don't have the leg shields mounted up, they're just on, just so we can get a look at it. Such a good looking little motorcycle. I mean, it's cleaning up. Guys, we didn't spend a whole lot of time. Just a little elbow grease. That's awesome. So guys, there you have it. Our 1965 Honda C100 little cub. This thing is starting to look good. You can see it now with good paint. It would be perfect. Missing this, once this guy's here and we have a good front fender, yeah, it's looking way better. Way better. Look at that. So guys, as always, thanks for watching yet another episode of Motorcycle Rewind. And do me a favor, like, tag, share, and follow us on Instagram at Motorcycle Rewind. And go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And while you're in the subscribing mood, just wander on over to our friends, Brickhouse Builds, Moto Mango, Gold Guy, Ace Cafe Bikes, Mile Zero Racers, and Pete's Classic Cycling. Give those guys a subscribe too. Thanks again, guys, and have a great day.